Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing only what matters. Free up 2 GB and charge to 50% or more. Once done, grant camera, mic, and location permissions so features work. Tap the Ultra HD camera icon and select photo or video mode. This first action activates the interface. Make sure to switch to 4K or 1080p in the top right menu if you need higher resolution. You'll now see exposure, focus, and a grid. Use them immediately to frame the shot, then move on to refine settings. You now refine the core controls to get the image you want. Start by choosing resolution, 4K for maximum detail, 1080p to save space. Then switch to manual mode, lower ISO for less noise, adjust shutter for motion, and set exposure compensation. Lock focus with a firm tap. Once you have framing, enable grid and histogram to balance composition and brightness, and turn on stabilization if available. As you tweak, review a quick test shot to confirm sharpness and exposure before recording the final take. You're ready to record and finish strong. Mount your phone or use a tripod and connect an external mic for steady visuals and clear audio. Press record with confidence, monitor levels, and stop when complete. Then save to internal storage or SD and enable auto backup if you want redundancy. If the app crashes or audio is missing, force close and clear cache, then reopen. Make sure permissions still enabled. If problems persist, reboot the device. This often resolves hardware access issues and gets you back to shooting quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.